we go today?
The beach.
To where?
The beach.
What did you do there, Luz?
I didn't wake. I waked up picking up my seashells.
Yeah.
And my shells. My crazy daisy shells. But I didn't wake when I went to get washed off. But I'm fine now. Super fine.
How come you didn't like getting washed off, Luz?
Because I didn't want to get swooshed away.
You didn't want to get swooshed away?
No.
Did you get your toes wet in the ocean?
Yeah, but I didn't want to go in there, apparently.
How come?
Because it was too scary.
What makes the ocean scary, Lucy?
From the waves.
Oh, were they really giant waves today?
Yeah, but I don't like giant waves.
Did you see other people there?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of other people did you see?
I saw a dead bird.
You did?
And I cried when I saw the dead bird.
Oh, how come?
Do you want me to tell you what happened after that bird?
Sure.
When they were playing a game called Take Ray, then they swam together. You know how they smack together, and then that one then that one fell down and it died. That what happened. Okay? Bye-bye.
Goodbye.